Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can use the Adobe Rush on MacBook. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do, we have to install the Adobe Rush. As you can see, I have already installed it. So let's click on this. So as you can see, the Adobe Rush is open. Now simply we have to click on the create a new project. As you can see, these are the recent projects. If you want to open them, you can also do that. And simply we have to click on the create a new project. So let's click on this. And after I create a new project, we need to select the media, that which media we want to use. For example, I'm going to the download section, or let's go to the desktop section, and let's click on this. And now we have to select the video, that which video we want to use. For example, I want to use this video, so we have to select this one. So if you want to select the multiple videos, you can also do that. Like I'm going to select this one, so I'm going to untick this. And here we have to provide the project name. If you want to edit the project name, like it's untitled, so I'm going to write the class here. So we have to write the class. Copy media, if you want to select the copy media, you can also do that. So let's click on the create, and after clicking on the create, it will take few seconds and the new project will be created. So as you can see, I'm going to make it on a full screen. So let's click on this. As we can see on the full screen, so as you can see now, it's on full screen. So this is the Adobe Rush. Basically it is used for the social, creating a social media videos, or the short or the long videos. So as you can see now, has the video, and so in this way you can insert a video. So if you want to make a split in the video, you can also do that. So simply we have to add the video. So as you can see, the Adobe Rush is open. So basically it is used for the social media videos, long form or short form, in any kind of duration or any kind of orientation or any kind of size. You can also do that. So in this way you can open the Adobe Rush and insert a video into Adobe Rush. I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can do this. So see you guys in the next video.